For those of you watching on NASA television, this is a replay of the descent of the Soyuz-TMA19M spacecraft with Tim Kopra, Tim Peake, and Yuri Malenchenko on board, as shot from one of the forward-placing search and recovery helicopters that flew nearby the Soyuz during the final phase of its descent from orbit, landing occurring at 4:15 a.m. Central Time, 3:15 p.m. at the landing site in Kazakhstan. We should get a good view of those soft landing engines firing just a second or two from now. And there it was at 4:15 a.m. Central Time, 3:15 p.m. Kazakhstan time, the Soyuz soft landing